Hi, I'm Nat. I'm the founder of a company called Skyda, and we make high-performance products for high-performing people. So I'm a keen cyclist, and one of the things that really frustrates me about cyclists is they spend thousands of pounds on their bike, clothing, and phones. And what do they do with that phone? They put it in a two-piece sandwich bag, just to protect it from the rain. So I thought, why not make an active wallet that holds your phone, wallet, and personal possessions whilst looking smart when you go out riding? Over the last 18 months, we've done loads of product development, working with some of the world's leading textile soft goods developers to bring to you the Skyda Active Wallet. We've been through 14 iterations, we've tested them out on our bikes, and we think that it's the best wallet around. So what's special about our wallet? Well, it's weather resistant. It's got a YKK AquaGuard zip, stopping that water getting in. We've got a storm flap to stop even the heaviest downpour, and it's surrounded by hydrophobic material to make sure that water just runs off. We've put in thermally bonded laminated pillows to cushion your phone and protect it even in the event of a fall. On the inside, we've got separate compartments to stop your phone and your keys clashing and putting those annoying scratches on your screen. We've put in 3 smooth glide card slots to ensure that you can pay easily at that all-important cafe stop. In our active wallet, you can store 1 smartphone, 3 cards, and your keys, keeping your possessions safe whilst you look smart. Join us on Kickstarter today to help make the Skyda Active Wallet a reality. Thank you for listening.